1. What is the duration of pregnancy in humans? 10 lunar months. 9 calendar months plus 7 days. 40 weeks. 266 days. Answer: 266 days. 2. What changes occur in the cervix during pregnancy? Softening of the cervix. Hypertrophy and hyperplasia of elastic connective tissue. Increased elasticity. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. 4. What is caused by folic acid deficiency during pregnancy? Ectopia of the bladder. Esophageal atresia. Spina bifida. Congenital diaphragmatic hernia. Answer: spina bifida. 5. Ketoacidosis occurs due to a deficiency of what? Carbohydrates. Proteins. Fats. Minerals. Answer: carbohydrates. 6. The breast is a modification of which gland? Sebaceous gland. Endocrine gland. Sweat gland. Apocrine gland. Answer: sweat gland. 7. What is considered the first trimester of pregnancy? First 12 weeks. 13 to 28 weeks. 29 to 40 weeks. None of the above. Answer: first 12 weeks. 8. What is considered the second trimester of pregnancy? First 12 weeks. 13 to 28 weeks. 29 to 40 weeks. None of the above. Answer: 13 to 28 weeks. 9. What is considered the third trimester of pregnancy? First 12 weeks. 13 to 28 weeks. 29 to 40 weeks. None of the above. Answer: 29 to 40 weeks. 10. At what gestational week does the fundal height reach the midpoint between the umbilicus and the xiphoid process? 24 weeks. 26 weeks. 28 weeks. 30 weeks. Answer: 30 weeks. 11. At what gestational week does the fundal height reach the level of the umbilicus? 24 weeks. 26 weeks. 28 weeks. 30 weeks. Answer: 24 weeks. 12. At what gestational week does the fundal height reach the midpoint between the pubic symphysis and the umbilicus? 16 weeks. 26 weeks. 28 weeks. 30 weeks. Answer: 16 weeks. 13. What is the daily calcium requirement during pregnancy? 1.5 gram. 2.0 gram. 2.5 gram. 3.0 gram. Answer: 1.5 gram. 14. How many extra calories should a pregnant woman consume daily? 300 kilocalories. 500 kilocalories. 1000 kilocalories. 100 kilocalories. Answer: 300 kilocalories. 15. At what gestational age can the fetal heart rate be first assessed? 2 to 3 weeks. 6 to 10 weeks. 10 to 12 weeks. 16 to 18 weeks. Answer: 6 to 10 weeks. 16. What is the term for a woman who has given birth for the first time? Primipra. Nullipra. Multipra. Grand multipra. Answer: Primipra. 17. What is the term for a woman who has never given birth? Primipra. Nullipra. Multipra. Grand multipra. Answer: Nullipra. 18. What is the term for a woman who has never been pregnant? Primigravida. Nulligravida. Multipra. Grand multipra. Answer: Nulligravida. 19. What is the term for decreased uterine contractions during labor? Hypotonia. Polysystole. Hypertonia. Oligosystole. Answer: Hypotonia. 20. What is Chadwick's sign? Bluish discoloration of the anterior vaginal mucosa. Increased pulsation felt via the lateral fornix. Softening of the cervix at 6 weeks. Uterus softening unevenly. Bluish discoloration of the anterior vaginal mucosa. 21. What is Hager's sign? Bluish discoloration of the vaginal mucosa. Increased pulsation felt via the lateral fornix. Softening of the cervix at 6 weeks. Half of the uterus is softer than the other half. Answer: half of the uterus is softer than the other half. 22. What is Goodell's sign? Softening of the cervix at 6 weeks. Increased pulsation in the lateral fornix. Bluish discoloration of the vaginal mucosa. None of the above. Answer: softening of the cervix at 6 weeks. 23. What is Piscasec's sign? Uneven enlargement of the uterus. Softening of the cervix. Bluish discoloration of the vaginal mucosa. Increased pulsation in the lateral fornix. Answer: uneven enlargement of the uterus. 24. What is the condition called when voluntary muscles contract and relax involuntarily in eclampsia? Premonitory phase. Tonic phase. Clonic phase. Coma phase. Answer: clonic phase. 25. What are the clinical signs of preeclampsia? Hypertension. Proteinuria. Both A and B. None of the above. Answer. Both A and B. Hypertension. Proteinuria. 26. How does oxygenated blood reach the fetal heart from the placenta? Umbilical artery. Ductus venosus. Ductus arteriosus. Foramen ovale. Ductus venosus. 27. What hematological changes occur in preeclampsia and eclampsia? Decreased plasma volume. Hemoconcentration. Coagulation disorders. All of the above. Answer. All of the above. 28. What cardiovascular changes occur in preeclampsia and eclampsia? Increased vascular resistance. Increased systemic blood pressure. Decreased central venous pressure. All of the above. Answer. All of the above. 29. What renal changes occur in preeclampsia and eclampsia? Decreased glomerular filtration rate. Decreased renal plasma flow. Increased serum uric acid. All of the above. Answer. All of the above. 30. Why is it important to monitor cardiovascular and renal function in preeclampsia? To prevent complications. To manage hypertension. To ensure fetal well-being. All of the above. Answer. All of the above.